Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This video is about the AI image generator that I have introduced in my previous two videos. If you haven't watched my previous two videos, please watch now. In those two videos, I have introduced you a free and unlimited image generator that can be used to generate images, uncensored images, and you can generate any amount of image without paying any amount of cash. So guys, please watch my previous two videos. In this video, I will explain how to fix the faulty eyes. Because in this tool, when you generate images of models, there are occasions that in the generated images, the eyes are faulty. Eyes are not perfect. This can be fixed easily. In this video, I will show you how to do it. For an example, if you see this photo, if I focus on the eyes, and you can see the eyes are not perfect. The eyes do not look natural. This can be fixed easily. I will show you how to do it. Let me go to the tool. This is the AI image generator that I was explaining about. What you need to do first, click on this input image. Okay, now if you go down, select Inpaint or Outpaint, and just click in here so that you can browse to the location where you can find your image. I will select the image. Okay, guys, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to see more useful videos in future. Now, what you need to do first, now you need to paint the eyes. Painting means you are creating a mask in the area that you paint. I will just click on the eyes so that I select the area that I need to improve. Okay, now I have painted the eyes. Then if you go below, in here you can select improve detail, face, hand, eyes, etc. And I will have to give a little small prompt. I will give like beautiful and natural looking eyes. Okay, then click on advanced. I will increase the number of images to 4, and styles I will select these 4 styles: focus, photograph, focus, cinematic, sci photographic, and the next one is sci cinematic. Let me find it. Okay, this one. Okay, go back to settings. I think now everything is okay. You don't need to give a prompt in here. You just click generate. Now it will generate 4 different images. You can select any of those 4 images. Now it started generating the first image. Okay, the first image is now generated. I will open the image. If you can see now the eyes are improved. Let me compare with the previous photo. Okay, in the previous photo, the eyes do not look natural, and if you compare these two photos, the previous one, the eyes are not good, not perfect, but the newly generated image, eyes are looking good, looking natural. You can save this image if you need, and you can, as you can see, the second image also generated. Let me open it. This one also looks okay to me. Now you can see all four images are generated. You can select any of these four images. You can see clearly the image has improved the eyes of the model. Guys, this method is not limited to the eyes. You can use this method to improve any of the faulty body features that you may encounter in your images. Guys, I hope that this video is useful. Please give a like to this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more useful videos in future. Have a nice day. Bye bye.